Hello everyone, this is Claire. Today I will show you optional accessories for the TT122 tour guide system. Now look at the transmitter. The transmitter comes with a lavalier microphone. The advantage is portable and small, but it's far away from your mouth, and sometimes close touching the microphone can create noise. At this point, you may prefer a headset microphone. Fortunately, the transmitter is also compatible with our headset microphone. You can adjust the angle of the microphones as you like. This is TT122 receiver. The receiver comes with an ear hole headset, which is suitable for the right ear. If you would like to replace the included right ear headset with a left ear one, just make a note when you place the order. The black foam cover can be removed. When used for a time, you can replace it. Our website sells the replacement covers, which are very affordable. In addition, our receiver is not limited to the original headphones. It is compatible with disposable headphones and D-type headphones. You can choose for yourself. It saves time and effort to clean the headphones. D-type headphones are very soft. Compared with ear hole headphones, this type is not easy to fall off because they fit around the ear. All together systems have multiple accessory options, not just the TT122 tour guide system. If you have any questions on it, please feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Our professional team will be at your service. Okay, bye bye everyone.